What if the headache you keep getting, the bloating after every meal, the skin breakout, the constant fatigue, and the anxiety you can't explain? What if none of those are separate problems but the same problem? Gut inflammation is one of the most common and one of the most overlooked health problems affecting people. And the most dangerous thing about it is that it rarely announces itself. I'm Harriet, an agriculturalist and nutrition educator. And today I'm going to show you the 5 signs that your gut is inflamed and the exact foods that science says can heal your gut starting from today. Your gut lining is not just a passive tool, it is active and intelligent barrier. It is responsible for absorbing nutrients, blocking harmful substances, communicating with your immune system, and producing neurotransmitters that affect your mood and brain. When the lining is inflamed from poor diet, stress, medication, or infection, everything breaks down. Let's start with the number 1 sign: chronic bloating or gas. Everyone experiences bloating occasionally, but if your stomach swells up regularly after eating, or if you feel gas that won't go away, that is your gut sending you a signal. When your gut lining is inflamed, it cannot process and move food efficiently. Fermentation happens where it shouldn't. Gas builds up. Beneficial bacteria are disrupted and harmful bacteria take over. The bloating is not the problem, it is the symptoms, and the inflammation underneath is the problem. If you bloat after almost every meal, even healthy meals, your gut lining needs an attention. The second sign is chronic fatigue that sleep doesn't fix. When your gut is inflamed, nutrient absorption breaks down. Your body stops extracting iron, magnesium, B vitamins, and other critical nutrients from food efficiently. You become nutritionally depleted even if you are eating well. At the same time, chronic inflammation triggers your immune system to stay in a constant state of high alert that causes enormous energy. Your body is fighting a battle around the clock and you feel it as exhaustion. The third sign is skin problem, e.g., eczema, acne, psoriasis, rosacea, chronic skin rashes. These are not skin problems, they are gut problems showing up on your skin. When the gut bacteria is compromised, inflammatory compounds enters the bloodstream and travels through the body. Your skin, the largest organ of the body, becomes a dumping ground for that inflammation. Research now consistently links gut dialysis, imbalanced gut bacteria, directly to skin condition. The gut skin axis is real, and no topical cream can fix a skin problem that starts in the gut. If your skin has been struggling for years and nothing external works, look inward. The fourth sign is anxiety and brain fog. Your gut produces about 90% of your body's serotonin, the neurotransmitter that is associated with mood, calm, and your well being. It also produces GABA, dopamine precursor, and communicate directly with the brain through the vagus nerve. When the gut is inflamed, neurotransmitter production is disrupted. The vagus nerve sends a distress signal to the brain. Inflammatory compounds cross the blood-brain barrier and interfere with cognitive function. If you have been treating anxiety and depression without addressing the gut health, you might be missing the root cause entirely. Sign number 5, developing new food sensitivity as an adult. You used to eat anything. Now, suddenly, gluten makes you feel terrible. Dairy bloats you. Eggs give you headache. And more foods are becoming problem. This is a classic sign of gut inflammation. When the gut lining breaks down, large undigested food particles cross into the bloodstream. Your immune system sees that as a foreign invader and launches an attack. And over time, your immune system starts reacting to more and more food. The food is not actually the problem. The broken gut barrier is the problem. Removing triggered food help reduce symptoms, but healing the gut is the only solution. Let's talk about the best food that heals your gut. Number one food we're gonna be talking about is bone broth. Bone broth is rich in collagen, gelatin, glycine, and proline. The exact building block your gut lining uses to repair itself. Gelatin coats and soothes the gut well. Glycine reduces inflammation and supports the tight junction that keeps the gut barrier sealed. Eating bone broth daily is one of the most powerful things you can do for your gut healing. Food number 2, fermented foods. Your gut needs beneficial bacteria to function, and fermented food is the fastest natural way to restore them. E.g., yogurt with live culture, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi. The third food is leafy greens. Leafy greens also feed the beneficial bacteria through prebiotics fiber, which is different from probiotics. Prebiotics are the food that good bacteria needs to survive and multiply. No amount of probiotic supplements will work long term if you are not feeding those bacteria with the right food. And leafy greens are one of the best probiotic sources available. The fourth food is ginger and turmeric. These two roots are among the most clinically studied anti-inflammatory compounds on planet. Ginger contains gingerol, a compound that reduces inflammatory mucus in the gut, which reduces bloating and nausea. Turmeric contains curcumin, which has been shown in multiple studies to reduce inflammation at cellular levels. Use both daily. Food number 5, omega-3 fatty acid rich food, e.g., salmon, mackerel, sardine, walnut, and flaxseed are all high in omega-3 fatty acids, which are direct anti-inflammatory agents in the gut lining. Avoid sugar and refined carbohydrates. These feed harmful bacteria and drive inflammation. Avoid alcohol. unnecessary antibiotics. Your gut is the foundation of your health. When it breaks down, everything breaks down with it. But your gut heals faster than most people expect when you give it what it needs. Watch this video up here on how to cure stomach ulcer permanently. I will link it in the description below. Do well to click on it. Subscribe for more health tips and don't forget to share this video because it helps this channel. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.